This is an introduction of your instructor. Your instructor is me, David Green. You may refer to me as Dr. Green or even David. My position is Associate Professor of Management Information Systems and also Interim Chair of the Division of Accounting, Economics, Finance, and Management Information Systems at Governor State University. We are in the College of Business and Public Administration. This is a brief overview of me. I'll tell you a little bit about my background, my curriculum vitae. This is really just part of my vita. My PhD is from Southern Illinois University, Carbondale, in 2005. It was in the business administration program. My concentration major was management information systems and support area and organization studies. My research that was part of my dissertation was related to website usability, so human-computer interaction, lots of behavioral variables. So that's part of my research, and then I have an MBA and a Bachelor of Business Administration from Morehead State University in Kentucky. So if you hear a little bit of a twang, that's from Kentucky. Um, the research and teaching interests, I wanted to tell you a little bit about this just in case you had some interest in conducting research. I'm always interested in working with students that have the interest and have some, I've had some students that just have some great ideas, want to present a paper at conferences. I've actually co-authored papers with students, only graduate students at this point, but graduate students, and then actually presented at academic conferences. The last one was with a student, and we went to the Decision Sciences Institute annual meeting in Boston. Some of my research interests, I already mentioned human-computer interaction and usability. I've continued to look at some of those areas. Also, information security policy and management, compliance issues, policies, especially those related to insider threats or employee threats, such as disgruntled employees or even unintentional employee threats to information. Also, enterprise systems, ERP systems, which we will discuss quite a bit in this course. Also, some familiarity with SAP's ERP system and some of their related software. Their service-oriented architecture, I've just lost the name. They have a service-oriented architecture and web portal. NetWeaver. Okay, so there it is. That's SAP's also their business objects platform as well. It's their analytics, data analysis dashboard side of things. So we'll actually take a look at some demos from SAP, and if you're interested, you can go further in the course than is required for the basic content of the course. But I'll give you some information about that in the course. Um, Business process management is another area tied to ERP systems, especially, and systems analysis and design. Mapping business processes, understanding business process, and how and setting up a structure for change. Also, looking at curriculum management in information systems, data analysis and research methodology. I'm also love statistics and performing uh, analyses on different data sets and always trying to learn more about those. Also done some work on virtual teams and virtual team behavior. Um, Sort of interesting. I haven't done very much of that recently, but that's some of my research interests. But you can also contact me, and I have a photo as well. You can see what I look like. Contact information, my email address, please email me at dgreen, DGREEN, at govst.edu. I have my work phone number and my office location. The office hours, you may contact me by appointment. I will actually set up some variable online office hours when you can meet with me. But especially for one-on-one office hours, we can meet online, we can meet in person if you're local, or or we could talk by phone. I have my information if you want to connect with me on LinkedIn or on Twitter. Twitter's at David T. Green.